oh wow, we're gonna do all this.
Uber tech moves the world. So we got the world to ask one of Uber's senior tech leaders what moves them. What is their inner Uber?
What does it take to be a senior leader at Uber?
It's my intuition, it's my own personality, I would say. You have to somehow bring everyone together. You have to influence. All this requires a lot of perseverance, a lot of grit, and a lot of self-drive and ownership. All the work and projects that we do in data science, it is not reviewed by any other data science teams in US or anywhere else. We are going to give you this unit. Just own it completely. There have been many proud moments, like whenever you hire somebody like really junior, they may be interns doing some work with you, and then you realize, yes, this guy has that potential and I can make him a rock star in the company. And then seeing them becoming director, that feels like, okay, you have made some difference.
What's exciting about Uber's future?
So Uber is trying to create self-sufficient, independent centers who are able to develop ideas and build products end to end. This is a huge point of motivation for anyone to work at Uber. You are expected to find areas which you can improve. There are always better ways to do things.
So what's your inner Uber?
It's grit, if I have to describe in one word.